Hey guys, I want to go ahead and do my video on trading the plan. I didn't get a chance to do this yesterday, so I'm covering yesterday's trade plan and the results of it, and today's trade plan and the results of it. And before I get to that, I want to share with you guys something here that some TradingView users might not know. I didn't know originally. One of my students actually taught me this. You come over here to the object tree, and you can make these nice cool folders with your drawings. All right, so if you, let's say we wanted to draw something on here. There's our brush mark. We can right click on that and we can click on create a group of drawings, and there it is. It's in a folder. Here, let's do a text box. Here we go, blah, 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 blah. Click OK, and then we take the text and we can just drop it right in that folder. And now both of them are inside of this folder, and we can rename it whatever we like. Let's say test. There we go. And then we close it out. It's nice and organized. And if we don't want to see this mumbo jumbo on our chart, but you want to save it, hit the eyeball and you're all set. So let me delete that. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So we're going to use that today. Let me make sure I'm on the 4th. Yeah, I'm on the 4th. So once I turn this eyeball on, all my information for yesterday will show up on the chart. There we go. So let me make it a little bit bigger. So this was our trade plan. Squinch up the screen here. We have our 11,528 level right here. We have our 450 level right here. Okay. 11,450 it broken, could see 11,520. Well, yeah, it broke, and we sure did see it. Not only did we see it, we went past it. We had a hell of a day yesterday. By the time I sat down on the computer about around 8:40 in the morning, 8:45-ish, and I looked left, and I saw that we already broke. London opened up, and I saw we already broke above this level. Scroll back even more to the start of the night, and we could just see the rally. Here we are, 6 o'clock at night. We could just see the rally. We moved up. So when I sat down at the computer, I looked left. I'm like, oh my goodness, the market's already gone up 250, 300 points before I even started trading. Prices are right around my resistance level. I'm going to look to short this, and we can see how that worked out. Not too well. We broke above, made a much bigger high than what I thought we would make, and even retested that level to kind of, this retest was kind of like a rub in my face, like here you go, and up it goes, right? I only took one trade yesterday, and that was for a short. I got in just a little bit too early, got around here, and got stopped out for a $42 loss. And that's the only trade I took yesterday. So that's how the trade plan worked yesterday. The overall levels provided were great, but the execution was not there. I should have played the break of this area, but I was sleeping. And then when it went above this area, I was stubborn and said, wow, that's expensive. That's really, really expensive. I can't trade this. And I didn't trade it. So I did not trade this. I didn't have a plan saying if it broke this, right? My plan was if it broke this. And by the time I sat down at the computer, it was already all broken. So, all right. So that's how yesterday went. And let me show you. So we're just going to click the eyeball. There we go. Turns it off. We're hit reset chart. Back to the regular programming of today. We click on today's info. There we go. Let me load up what I posted last night. So this was posted yesterday at 7:58. Let's make this smaller. Scrunch down the screen. Here we go. Sorry, got a little bit of a runny nose today. Hope that's not coming through too much on the video. Apologize if it is. All right, so we got our 740 level here. This should actually be in red. Let me fix that for everybody. There we go. So we got our 520 level in green as our support. We got our 740 as resistance. There we go. And we have our expected low. And what happened today was a great thing, especially after yesterday. It was really nice to be able to get in this trade. I was one and done today. I took a nice short right here. Price broke below Just as I was sitting at the computer, price broke below our significant level here, came down and at the open of New York made its move up. And as soon as it dropped right below this level, I shorted it again. And I wrote it pretty far down. I didn't get it all the way down here. I got out right about here. All right, so almost 100 points. I missed 100 points this time. But I was really close. So that's my only trade of the day. But let's see how the rest of the trade played out. So we came right down near the overall support of the day, expected low of the day, you could say. And it came, I predicted, my estimate was 350, and it came down to 366. So I wasn't that far off, guys, right? 16 point off. And then we've made our move up, and we've even broken back above, right? And that should trigger, when you see this happen, that should trigger a long. We should be in a long, because guess what? If price is going to be accepted here, where do I think it's going to go? I think it's going to go here. All right, so let's see how the day ends. That'd be a pretty crazy move if we do end up finishing around 11,740 in this area. But in this ballpark, let's see what happens. What's another trade play, just so we're on the same page? If price goes back underneath that, that's a short again. All right, 11,520. If broken, could see 11,350. We haven't seen 11,350 yet. It could break underneath again. We short it. All right, and we look to take profit here. It could come down, touch this level, and head back up. Well, if it does, that's a stall play, and we go ahead and we go long. If not, we should already be in this trade. So today, much better market for me to trade. Really enjoyed it. One and done. Finished up. Levels trade plan posted at 8 p.m. last night. Used at 9:30 the next day. Worked out to perfection. Really good setup today. Let me know in the comments if you guys are liking these type of posts, if you're liking these type of videos, if these levels are helping you, to those of you that are getting them early in advance. And then those of you who would like to get them early in advance, please reach out and let me know that as well, and we can set up a call and talk about it. But I like making these videos, and they're also a good journal for myself, right, as well, to kind of go back and look and see how I'm doing. So it works out for both of us. But yeah, please leave your feedback, comments. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what I can do better in these videos, all that good stuff. So I do appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.